Virgo यानी कि कन्या राशि. We are giving you predictions as per moon rashi. Now Virgo 2025 is leaving and we are going to enter 2026. There is a one message that I would begin with. 2026 will test your patience. But what you build in this year will help you in many years to come. So let's start with your reading first. We'll start with a generic reading and then we will move on to your health, then over to your relationship, then towards the money or abundance, and then we will have a special message from the fairies on how the year 2026 will be for Virgo Kanya Rashi. So let's begin. What I can see right now is you're extra sensitive to the energies and emotions. So in 2026, you have to take control of your energies as well as your emotions. You have to honor yourself, you have to honor your feelings, and you have to understand that being emotional will sometimes not give you rational decisions. So when you take control of your sensitivity, once you start honoring your feelings, you will be able to take fair decisions on each and every area of your life. Then what we are getting is that you have brilliant ideas which you should start working on in the year 2026. Angels are saying that your ideas are divinely guided. You need to take action to bring your ideas to fruition. Once you start doing that, start working on the ideas that you have, you'll be able to achieve a lot of your dreams which you had in the previous years. Also, I can see that there are a lot of gifts that you will be receiving in 2026. That you need to open your arms and receive these gifts which you are getting from the divine, God, and angels. Now, let's move on to your health, how your health will be in 2026. You need to start working on the meditation part. Once you start doing that, it could be anything. Just sit quietly in a safe place and meditate. It could be for half a minute, for 30 seconds, or for 1 minute, but you need to focus on your inner self and work on meditating so that you are able to control and guide your mind, body, and soul, and you will be able to focus on peace, health, and wellness. Now, what else am I getting? That you are not able to get good night's sleep as of now. But in 2026, you have to work towards getting a relaxed time. Once you have a good night's sleep, you will be able to have more energy. You will be able to have more focus, attention, and when you have a deep sleep and a relaxing time, you are guided, healed, and protected while you rest. So while resting also, our angels, our God is working on our health and well-being, and they are healing, protecting, and guiding us while we are resting. Also, what I can see is there is something which is stressful in your life, which is causing ill health for you. But in 2026, you have to leave this stressful situation behind you so that you are able to get good health in 2026. Once you start getting less bothered about the stress or the people around you, you will be able to move, you will be able to have courage and willingness to take care of yourself, and you will also be able to surround towards healthy relationships and healthy people, and it will create more positive situations in your life. Now, what is the message that we have for your relationship? Let's see how 2026 will be for Virgo. I can see you'll be flirting in 2026, and it's absolutely healthy as long as it doesn't hurt anyone. So extend your light-hearted energy to others. When you're flirting, you make sure that you do not hurt any other feelings or anyone else which will create trouble for you. You need to start loving yourself. You don't love yourself at all. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Once you start loving yourself, you will create more situations around you which will bring loving people and loving relationships in your year 2026. Also, you're not making the effort in this relationship that you are in. Great love is worth taking the steps that you are guided to take. So whatever you can do to make this relationship more loving and caring, you have to step up, do something and make the effort so that you are able to be in a healthy and peaceful and happy relationship. All right, now let's move on to the next one, which is your money or abundance part. So what is the message that we are getting from the angels? They are saying that there is something positive change which is happening in the year 2026, and you have to take a divinely guided change. So there are all positive change and successful ventures involve a degree of risk. Understand, unless you take a risk, you will not be able to achieve. If you be in your comfort zone, you will not be able to achieve what you actually dream of. So once you start going into new territories, new areas, you'll have more abundance, more success in your career or in your business. You need to understand that there is no competition. Everyone has their share of abundance and it's already written in your destiny. So once you start cooperating instead of competition, you will receive more blessings and you will be able to have complete access to unlimited abundance, which is only and only for you, and you will also be able to share it with others. With cooperative partnerships, you can accomplish everything. So don't get into insecurities of not giving it to others or sharing with others. You need to understand that it is for everyone and your share is secure and safe. All you have to do is take action to take that abundance in your life. And also, always pray to God for all your needs which are there. It could be financial, it could be spiritual, it could be mental. Just pray to God for your needs to be met. Also, let's see what is the beautiful message that I'm getting from the fairies. Magical blessings. So what fairies are saying, whatever you are going through is now being assisted by the magical fairy blessings, that you can bless others too, because you have abundance of blessings coming your way, which will be magical, which will completely change your life. And 2026 is a really promising year for you, which will bring lot of magical blessings for you. All right, so this is a generic reading that I have done for all the Virgo people. Now, if you want a personalized reading, you can always get in touch with us on 73-489-14808. You can also DM us on the same video which we are posting right now. And if you want more details about us, you can go through our website, which is angelshealyou.com. All right, so in case you are interested in your personalized reading, I would like to tell you that this will be a month-on-month predictions for the full year 2026, where we will tell you what to do, what not to do, what you should avoid, what you should be cautious about, what are the challenges that you might face, and what is the solution to those challenges. It will be a detailed reading only for you once you book a personalized session. All right. Thank you so much for watching.